So you've just purchased a new SSD or hard drive, and when you plug it in correctly, it doesn't show up on your files. So firstly, what you're going to have to do is click on this PC, then computer. I'm going to enlarge this for you. Then you're going to want to click manage just under system properties. Now it's going to load up your drives that it sees on your PC. You're going to click on disk management. Now the ones that I want to format today on my PC is this one here, 930.9 gigabytes unallocated to my PC. So what we're going to have to do is highlight it, so left click on it. Then you're going to have to right click on it. Then you're going to click new simple volume. Now you're going to follow the steps to the wizard. So first click next. Then you're not going to change any of this, you're going to keep it the same. Now this is the letter that will show up, so I'm going to put mine as the letter V if it lets me for videos. Now what you're going to have to do is press next, volume label slash files. That's what I'm going to put on. Now I'm going to press next. Then this is everything here. Just go over this, check everything's right, then click finish. It's formatting it right now. It'll just take a second. And it's on now. So if I go back to files, it's right here.